Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on data saver on X, formerly known as Twitter. To do this, you open your Twitter app, navigate to settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now click on data usage. It says right here, when enabled, videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all accounts on this device. So this is useful if you're on mobile data. So turn it on. That's how you turn on data saver on X. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.